G'day YouTube, just a quick overview of the new Linux Mint 12 distribution, also codenamed Lisa. Okay, I'll just, as I said, quickly go over it. Now, when you do actually first load it up, it comes up with a really helpful welcome screen, which is quite helpful, very helpful with support, that sort of thing. It comes with a list of hardware database information, how to connect additional drivers, that sort of thing, IRC chat rooms, all of that, so that's always great when you load up. Next off we have is, of course, it's got the new MGSE desktop, which is really stands for Mint GNOME Shell Extension, and it's actually really it's got a mix of the Unity in Ubuntu and the GNOME 3, which is in Fedora, for example. But it has the tendency to really take out the bad things and leave in the good. It's a little bit more clear and easy to use. A lot of people had problems with Unity, and so did I. It's got the new Linux 3.0 kernel, which is quite good. Actually, I'll just double check that now, because you just never know. Okay, yeah, 3.0.0, yeah, 12 generic, yep. So the Linux kernel 3, which is quite good. Software includes things like LibreOffice, Thunderbird 7, Tomboy, Brazio, Transmission, even VLC, which is quite good. A whole host of new wallpapers as well, so that's always handy. And it's got the little Linux Mint touch on it as well, which everybody loves. With the desktop, it's really just revamped, especially in relationship to Ubuntu. You'll see that everything is just quite polished off, and you'll see icons that you've never seen before for programs. For example, you've got Firefox, and Thunderbird's a little bit different, and so on, even Transmission. So yeah, that sort of thing. Also, what I found was that it leaves a very low memory RAM footprint. So if I were to go into System Monitor, when I booted it up before, it was about 180, and it's sitting on 200 right now, which is really good, I think. When I first installed Ubuntu 11.10, it was running on 350, 400, and it just shot up to 600 with one or two applications. So I'm really proud of that, considering Mint is really considered an overlay on Ubuntu, but because there's no Unity or GNOME 3 really, then it sort of changes and is a little bit better that way. Also mentioning all the features in GNOME 3 and Unity, you can go to something called Advanced Settings, which you'll find in Applications, Other Advanced Settings. And it shows you, here we go, the shell extensions. Now they're not showing up, a lot of them right here. You can go do the on and off. But the reason why they're not showing up is because I'm currently in the GNOME Mate, which is Mint's own little desktop environment, much like the new GNOME Classic as well. But mentioning the Unity and GNOME 3 again, you can turn on and off whichever GNOME shell extensions you want, which is quite handy as well. Now, I think that's pretty much it, just in a nutshell. I might have missed one or two things, but no, that's pretty much it, guys. It's fast, it looks nice, it's polished, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope that's been a helpful video at all in helping you decide. I think I'm actually going to switch from Ubuntu Unity now through to Linux Mint. And yeah, just take it from there. Also, it says 11 there, Linux Mint 11, but I know this to be 12. I think it's an old backdrop or something, so I wouldn't worry too much about that. Alright, okay, thanks again, guys. Cheers. Any questions, comments, just give us a yell. Thanks.